So you mentioned Deepseek. That was interesting. So, what's your thoughts around? Obviously, there was talk in the market about how much money we're going to make from AI and how we're going to revolutionize everything, and then all of a sudden you had this player from China saying, "Yep, well we've got something that's as good as what you've got, and by the way, we'll give it away."
Look, I mean, I think taking a step back, so there are three lots of scaling. You've got pre-scaling, post-scaling, and time-tested scaling. I think this is what Deepseek is bringing, where AI is actually thinking. It wasn't new. Like if you actually look at the commentary from Nvidia, the CEO there, it's been talked about for quite a bit. I think what has surprised the market is that it's been basically, as you say, developed for apparently a fraction of the price. And it's been offered for free, and it's using lower strength chips than what Nvidia is producing, like with Blackwell, etc., like that. I think, with all respect, you have to be guarded with what comes out of China in terms of the commentary. There's the thoughts that essentially, that it was developed mirroring ChatGPT using 50 plus thousand chips that China should not have under export regulations. So obviously they're not going to be open about that. And then also, a lot of the cost which were quoted, which were around 5 million US, also apparently doesn't include everything. In saying that, it's made the market, stand up and have a look at essentially, I think, question America's supremacy in AI and how far ahead of the world they are versus everybody else. And again, I guess the best thing to describe it, it was described as another Sputnik moment, where essentially, where the Russians overtook the US in the space race, earlier on, and obviously then it was off for young and old. So, if anything, I think it's been the reaction to the market was unfounded. But look, we're still a believer in AI. I think what it's making the market do is question the sizable capital spend of these scalers or hyperscalers in terms of what they're getting for the capex.